Hello friends, I know this is not usual at all, but this evening we have a date with the latest 2021 M1 iPad Pro, and I'm so freaking excited to unbox it. I know this is not your usual setup. I mean, I'm standing right underneath the light, but I wanted to spice things up because this video is about spicing things up. We're gonna be switching from the 16-inch MacBook Pro to using the M1 iPad Pro as my main machine for one entire week. Actually, just saying that, I'm freaking scared because I've never done that. I mean, like, what apps do I use? How do I edit? What apps do I use for like note-taking or writing on Word or PowerPoint, or like how do I research and stuff? You know, like all these things come to my mind. God, I'm scared. This is what we're going to be unboxing, the iPad Pro and the Magic Keyboard, and we have the camera set up and we're ready to go, and let's go. They're arranged nicely so that you will see my address, and look at this. This is the iPad Pro. Whoa! Guys, what is this? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, did not think through this. This is the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, and I've never owned such a big iPad before, so whoa, this is the heavy one. Are you guys ready? I am freaking ready. This is one big tablet, guys. It's bigger than my face. Ooh. Look at how delicious this looks. Oh my god, this is not... Okay, this is definitely lighter than a laptop. Oh, it's turning on! Hello there! It's saying hello. This is a huge screen, so it's perfect if I want to do any creative work. One good thing about having this USB-C port is that I can connect this to my LG display, and that means that I still get a big screen when I'm working. Let's see what else is in the box. This is a, ooh, I'm actually kind of surprised that okay, of course they would come with a brick, and you have a USB-C to USB-C cable, which I already have. I'm gonna use my Mac one, so I don't use this at all. And that's all, that's all. Okay. Are you guys ready to check this out? So freaking ready. I feel like this is heavier than the iPad Pro itself. Like, honestly, this feels heavier. This is actually the white Magic Keyboard for the iPad. Break. Okay. Look at this. Ooh, this is so heavy, guys. Size-wise, you can see this is almost as big as this. In terms of packaging, let's see. Pretty white is gonna match everything. It's like when you're, oh my god, did I just cut myself? I think I just cut myself. Oh man. Now, this is what I mean by Apple scent. Guys, you need to smell this. Like, go ahead. This is actually pure white. I'm so scared now that I might actually dirty it, especially if I put on makeup or stuff like that. Whoa, very nice keyboard. This is it, my friends. Beautiful all white keyboard, and this is a soft little finish, which I love. This is like very velvet. I like it. And this is all metal, very classy. It's your typical Magic Keyboard, which I was super excited when this was first launched. I know the camera is going crazy right now, but this feels good. This Magic Keyboard increases the weight of the iPad by so much. It's like almost double the weight right now. But with this, you get a nice keyboard, you get a cover, you get an extra USB-C port, which is always good to have. I'm so gonna destroy the white color, aren't I? But yeah, guys, if you're into this white, links below. Right now I'm setting up the iPad Pro to make it my main machine for next week, and I'm still freaking scared. I'm not sure if I can do it because there's so much changes. I'm just too used to the Mac. First things first, I want to be able to use the mouse on this. So let's go to Bluetooth. One really cool thing about being in the Apple ecosystem is that when you go to Bluetooth, all the AirPods devices are automatically added to this machine. And that's because Apple ecosystem. Yeah, and now we're gonna add the mouse, okay? And now it's added. Yep, it's added. I'm gonna make a list of apps that I have been using on the Mac to see how I can actually transfer that and download the apps on the iPad Pro to just make my workflow smoother. So now we figure out the apps that we have to download on the iPad Pro. Notes, it's already a local app. Perfect, you don't need to download anything. Word doc, I think I'm gonna replace this with Pages, just because with iCloud I can actually sync all my pages to my Mac, so that's less hassle there. Yeah. And Photoshop, we have it native, Lightroom native. Final Cut Pro, gosh. Guys, just because one key part of editing is the shortcuts, and on the iPad Pro with iMovie, the shortcuts are just so different, and it would take me so much longer to edit if I were to learn it again on iMovie, on the iPad. But you know what? I'm just gonna try, give it like 1 hour or so to try editing on the iPad, but I might just give up. So I'm probably still gonna use my Mac for editing. Chrome and plugins. I'm actually kind of questioning this. I've used Chrome on the iPad before, and the format, the layout is just so different from the ones on the Mac. On the Mac, you actually have shortcuts to your bookmarks, but this is just so different. It just wouldn't be that efficient. Sketchbook, we have this for drawing, or we can actually use Notes app. Telegram, WhatsApp, I think there should be. SD card with files that I need. Okay, I need to prepare. Okay, that's it. I think we're pretty set on this, and now all that's left is to set it up, get the wallpapers I want, make this iPad my own so that I feel happy working on this. I'm gonna try getting used to this for the first day, play around with it. Oh, should I even download Netflix?